Hey guys, today's the day I'm gonna do some van restorations, van renovations. I bought this van so that I could drive it to the beach. I only live in a small unit, so I don't have much room for storage, so everything has to go in the car, which is a bit of a pain for the moment. But yeah, I wanted to still kind of have a little bit of a camper van feel, like nothing that I want to really have to sleep in or anything like that, but just be able to chill out, go for a surf, go for a hike, and then come out and sort of have a cup of tea and things like that. But as you'll see in a second, my van currently does not let me do that at all. So this is the current situation of my van, how it looks now. One last thing, if you're kind of wondering why doesn't he just use roof racks, this is why. The direction that I'm going, guys. Woohoo! It's finished. This is the inside now. Yeah! Everything fits. Yes! Looks much better.